Right, hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to prune a rose bush. So in autumn you're going to have all the old flowers, so you want to just deadhead them. Take about 6 inches off the top. You can do it with your eyes closed. It really doesn't matter how you prune it. What matters is early spring and you're giving it a proper prune at this time of year when new growth is shown on the plant. So we're going to look at 3 Ds, so that's damaged, diseased and dead stems, and you want to take them all out straight away. I'll add a C in, and that's crisscrossing stems because they'll rub together and then they can become infected as well. So that's the first job.
So don't be scared at this point if you feel like you're taking a lot off, just stick to the plan. So you can see now I've taken all of the rubbish out at the bottom and it's beginning to look nice and open. It's at this point you probably want to stand back and get a good overall picture of how much you'd like to take off. You can see last year's growth cut to the left of the secateurs, so I'll be looking for something similar again. So what do we look for now? Well, 2 things: buds and new growth, and the eyes, which will turn into buds. It's also worth saying anything thinner than a pencil gets pruned as well, and don't forget those damaged bits. Okay, so if you look here, we have an outward facing bud just above last year's cut, which is the height I wanted. We're going to take the secateurs, cut it at a 45-degree angle so the rainwater runs off it about a centimetre above the bud. So to recap, an outward bud about a centimetre above at a 45-degree angle. So again, another stem, last year's cut here, our desired height. So what options do we have? We have 2 buds, one is facing outward but it's a bit high, one is below but it's facing inwards. And if we look further down the stem, we have an outward facing eye which will turn into new growth, so that's where I'll make my cut. Then just continue making some big decisions.
Right, so I hope that showed you how easy it is. You've got to make some brave cuts and make some brave decisions. And yeah, if you got this far, please subscribe and check out the rest of the channel. Cheers, bye.